Hindi mo ba siya na-test after? Kung may plano doon tayo magkaanak. What you need to live comfortably.
Gumanod ba? Match! Pakiya ko ngayon.
Ito naman.
Kumakanta ako, OA ka?
Tingnan mo sa ko eh.
There's not much going on this week. With no holidays, most of our days have been focused on work. But here's a little glimpse of what's happened.
Let's watch Furious. I'm curious. Dito bilo-bilo, hindi binignit. But if you think about it, it's like parang hot na halo-halo. Sima? Parang ako kumakain ng palitaw. Alam mo yan? Sarap ng bilo-bilo. Dito kami sa Graph Quarter. Isa din siya sa mga coffee chains dito sa Chiang Mai. Today is a Sunday and tomorrow is a holiday. A Monday but a holiday. So, pwede magpahinga and mag-explore na naman. I like it how they have unique concoctions when it comes to coffee. Hindi lang siya isang special menu na seasonal offering na this month lang available. So, you're not just limited to yung mga usual like latte, cappuccino, espresso. Parang ang dami parang mga 10 na special parang cocktail na. And also, I think they specialize in cold brew. Most mga cafes will offer you normal brewed one. Pero ang sarap pa rin ng cold brew. I think it's super refreshing. Yung beans nila are locally sourced and also single origin. Masarap siya. Yung brown sugar nilagay niya sa foam. So yung unang sip mo puro foam, matamis. Meron pa isa?
Wala lang.
Yung long time ago, yung tong recent.
Recent lang, 2 weeks ago.
Ay, hindi.
Video yan.
Mag-post tayo tapos...
naman. So where are we going next?
Okay, next naman, isa sa ating mga favorite spots na medyo matagal na namin hindi siya napupuntahan. Nestled in the middle of nature. It's a not so touristy temple pa. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Wat Palad. So it's like halfway before Duisitep Temple. Make sure guys, pag pupunta kayong any Thai temples that you dress politely. So bawal mga naka-short shorts, short skirts, bawal din. Bawal din naka-tank top or spaghetti strap. Kailangan covered yung dito mo area and below the knee is also covered. natin. Para lang mga mud skippers. Ang ganda kaso dahil tag-ulan malamok siya, no?
How did you two meet?
Nag-meet tayo during the onset ng, I think, internet revolution. Wow! Nag-meet tayo online. Nag-meet sa isang Facebook group, Personified, if you are familiar. 29 or 2010.
Start yun sa Friendster. Then 2007, doon na yung parang active din yung mga members. So nag-meet. Saan tayo first nag-meet physically?
Physically, nag-meet tayo sa MOA kasi nagkaroon ng Grand Eyeball. Grabe dati ganun pa. Ang tawag dati doon, GEB, Grand Eyeball. Dami natin noon, mga 20 plus. Let's insert picture here. Yun yung first time nag-meet yung mga members. Masaya naman, ang dami mong nakilala. After connecting online ng couple of months, diba, iba a year. O madaming nabuong friendship actually. Pero maganda maraming na-forge na friendship. Until now, kung may plano daw tayo magkaanak. So we've been asked a couple of times already. Kung may plano, wala. Are we open? I am open. Are you?
Of course, yes.
You are. But are we ready?
No.
I think you're never ready naman. No one is ever ready to have children. If it's your first time, ha? Kasi you cannot really tell yung exact experience ng isang parent. And since pagka first time magkaanak, yung lahat bago. So, everything is a novelty for you. But of course, pagka gusto mo talaga magkaanak, kailangan you have to set things in place. Financially, emotionally, mentally, even physically. Especially for us kasi kung magkakaanak man tayo, it's a special setup, diba? So maraming dapat i-consider. But let's see.
I think kung magiging parents man tayo, I think we're very responsible naman. No?
Is that a daisy? I got salmon and some salmon. Let's eat. So, andito kami ngayon sa may Payap University. It's holiday today, so walang masyadong tao. This is what we like doing every once in a while, yung tambay lang sa isang peaceful place in nature, yung walang masyadong tao.
Narinig niyo yung ibon.
Tsaka yung may magandang view.
So, ito yung tanong sa TikTok. Can I ask what you do for a living? How much does it cost per month, including savings, to live comfortably in Thailand?
Both of us are
Teachers.
yes, and we've been here for how many years now?
11, 12 years.
And the second part of the question is asking us kung how much do we think does it need to live comfortably here? Well, for one, iba-iba naman tayo ng definition ng comfort. What's comfortable for me or for you or for some other people may not be comfortable for another person. Pero if you ask us, I think what you need to live comfortably. So when I say comfortable, you have your own place, yung weekly groceries mo, hindi naman tipid. You also get to travel, let's say at least once a month. You're still able to save up. And that is assuming nakapagpadala ka na if ever you are or you're planning na tumulong sa Pilipinas. Ang kailangan mo for yourself is 30,000 baht. 30,000 baht, I think pasok na doon lahat yun. Kaso, you also have to consider where you are based. Kasi each region or cities in Thailand, iba-iba din ang standard of living. So for example, pinakamahal talaga sa Bangkok, mas mahal din ang food, mas mahal ang transpo, mas mahal ang everything.
Major cities.
Yeah, major cities like Phuket also I think is mahal, no? Dito sa Chiang Mai, it's a little cheaper than Bangkok, pero it's not substantially cheaper. Parang almost the same lang din. Iyon. Pero, this is just from what we know, no? So, if ever there are Filipinos out there na are currently based in Thailand, please tell us your experience or how much do you think is needed for a comfortable life dito sa Thailand, whether you're in the north, in the south, sa mga
far-flung areas.
Yeah, yun. So, yun, please tell us in the comments down below yung inyong personal experience of living dito sa Thailand. Magkano ang kailangan nyo and your definition of comfort as well. Please let us know.